Hey guys, this is Gavin for Make Use Of, and today we're going to look at the best ISO to USB burning tools for Windows. First up, Rufus. You can use Rufus to burn a wide range of ISOs. It features a decent range of bootloader options, and when you input the ISO type, Rufus automatically configures the best options. For instance, when I select my Windows inside a preview ISO, it automatically selects the GPT partition scheme and target system type. Rufus has an easy to use interface and a few hidden advanced features to boot. In our ISO to USB burning test, Rufus chimed in at just over 21 minutes, which isn't the fastest but is still a decent enough time. Next up, the Back to Basics Windows USB DVD download tool. The name is a slight misnomer as it doesn't actually download anything for you. However, it is a solid, basic tool that will burn most ISOs you throw at it. Unfortunately, there's not actually much more to say about it as it is such a simple utility, but that's definitely what makes it a worthwhile option. In our ISO to USB burning test, the Windows USB DVD download tool came home in 17 minutes and 51 seconds, putting it right at the top of the timings board. Now we have RMPrepUSB. RMPrepUSB is one of the most featureful ISO to USB tools we tested. However, the cluttered and somewhat aging UI puts some people off. All you need to know is how to navigate and you have a great tool on your hands. Particularly useful are the integrated QEMU test that lets you check your USB boot menu and the numerous bootloader options, making it a great tool for Windows and Linux distributions alike. RMPrep completed our Windows preview ISO to USB burn in 21 minutes and 38 seconds, putting it just behind Rufus. Next up is YUMI. YUMI stands for your Universal Multi-Boot Installer, meaning you can use YUMI to install multiple ISOs to a single USB flash drive. The YUMI interface is easy to get to grips with, letting you select your ISO from a long list, then you match up with the ISO on your system. If you don't have the ISO, don't worry. YUMI can automatically download it or take you to the correct download page. When your ISO to USB burn finishes, YUMI will ask you if you want to add another, and you can complete the process again to build a multi-boot USB flash drive. YUMI clocks in at 17 minutes 43, the fastest tool in this ISO to USB test, and it really is a great little tool. Our penultimate ISO to USB tool is Novicorp's WinToFlash. WinToFlash is a great tool for multiple situations, letting you burn single ISOs to USBs, create multi-boot USBs, or select from one of the WinToFlash Wizard presets. The WinToFlash UI is really easy to use, and the aforementioned ISO to USB Wizard means anyone can download and use the tool without worrying about fiddling about with settings. In our USB to ISO burning test, WinToFlash clocked in with a 22 minutes and 01 seconds, a very similar time to other tools. The last tool on our ISO to burning list is UNetbootin. UNetbootin is another ISO to USB burning tool with a very easy to use UI. One of the best UNetbootin features is its auto download of ISOs you don't have, similar to YUMI. You can use the drop-down menus to select a Linux distro, then select its version, and UNetbootin will take care of things. Alternatively, select your own ISO, your USB flash drive, and hit burn. Our last tool comes home with a healthy time of 22 minutes and 01 seconds, putting it firmly in the mix with the other tools and exactly the same as WinToFlash. If you found this video comparison of ISO to USB burning tools useful, please remember to hit like and subscribe to the Make Use Of YouTube channel for more awesome technology tricks, tips, and best of all, giveaways. Thanks for watching.